Gikundi gia Computer Aid International ni kirugurite ruhonge rwa GUKU bururi-ini ruria ruikaine ta Computer Aid Kenya na rugukorwo rukigacirithia mathomo ma kiriu. Akiaria hinde igongona riu, murugamiriri munene wa Computer Aid International Kidsonet augite kambuni ino ni gutigirira Kenya ingi ni makinyirirwo ni mubango ucio.
And our mission is to spread digital inclusion, to make sure that nobody is left behind in this digital revolution. Because if people don't have access to digital technology and the skills to use it, they will be increasingly disadvantaged, particularly as AI is going to drive so many changes, and that will require people to have the digital skills they need to take advantage of it.
I think the main theme was to have an organization that is run by Kenyans, for the Kenyans, and doing projects in the Kenyan communities. And this is amazing because now it's us who knows the pain points.
I am looking at digital skills as the equivalent of a compulsory subject. The way we are talking of English and Swahili as languages, digital skills should be actually embedded as a compulsory requirement for anybody who is in our schools environment or the education sector.
Kaunti itiganite ta kaunti cia Nairobi na Nandi gatagati ga kaunti ingi ni guteithika kuhitukira mubango uyu kuria gikundi giki kiugite no kiguthie na mbere na kuheana mathomo ma kiriu kuri muingi.
Computer Aid Kenya becomes a local partner that is easy to reach out, that has the know-how of how the local operations are. So that's why we are saying this is the right time.
Said we are actually humbled that there are people out there who actually are willing to lend a hand, especially to government, because many times we expect government to be the one giving, but now we have private, we have NGOs, we have organizations that are actually doing that, which in the long run is going to translate to better outcomes in terms of our digital literacy within our communities.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.
But you're not actually moving